Hi, it's Lynette here, and today I have my Latest in Beauty Pamper Time Edit Box. Now, Latest in Beauty have recently changed and that you can now get a 6-item box, where before it was 3, 6 and 9. If you were already on the 9 or the 3 items, you could keep those boxes, or if not, you could shift to the new plan, which was 6 items. I think it's for about £12.95, which is really good value. However, I decided to stay with the 9 items, which is £18 a month. And every month they do a different edit, so this month is Pamper Time Edit. Now, you have a month from the date that you pick your selection, so mine's is the 18th of the month, so it means from the 18th of September I have until the 18th of October to pick, and if you don't pick, they send you a selection. Now, I've seen a couple of people do this, one by accident and one by choice. I think Lady Mawa did it by choice to see what she got, and unfortunately they didn't even put the Hall of Fame item in. The Hall of Fame is quite a new, well, we've maybe been doing it for the last year or so, in that every month there's a star product and there's guaranteed numbers so that everybody can get one if they want one, and they're usually something that I would definitely pick. I think it's an Aveda hair care this month. Yeah, so they do different edits for different months, and at the start of the month they do a selection video letting you know what's coming up. So if there's something you want, you can wait and pick that. However, I had a wee look and there was some things I wanted, so I thought I'll just order the box now. So I was quite happy with what I got. So I'm just going to go through the box, and honestly, sometimes I work out the prices of everything in the box and you're kind of blown away by it. However, I've not done that this month. But I'll just pull them out and show you what they are. So the first one was something I fancied trying, and it's semi-skimmed body milk. No, it's not. It's body wash. It's semi-skimmed body wash. It's by British Dairy Body Care Buyer. And it says whey sourced from British cows. So it's enriched with whey protein, vitamin E, C, B5 and B6 and sustainable poppy seed oil. Whipped and smooth for soft and conditioned skin. There's no parabens or silicones in it, and 96% of the ingredients are naturally derived. So that's 250 mils. There you go. So I've never tried anything like this. Smooth and whipped creamy body wash. So it says sweet whey powder. I'm going to have to sniff it, aren't I? Right. So it's not got a seal or anything on it. It does smell kind of creamy. It smells vanilla-y to me. And it's, oh, yeah. So it just looks like a regular kind of shower cream to me. So I'm looking forward to trying that. I like trying new brands. That's what this box is good for. Yeah, it smells really nice, really fresh. Anyway. Soapy hands. The next item I picked out was an item I had run out of this, so I thought I'd just try the Sport FX. It's Mist and Fix and Recovery Face Spray. So it's 2-in-1 formula, instantly cooling and fixes your makeup. So I think you can use that after the gym. The ultimate spray to hydrate skin and keep makeup in place for longer. So it's got natural ingredients, high endurance, cruelty free and vegan friendly, and no parabens. So I think that's really good for quite a cheap brand as well. It says give your skin a boost of hydration with this refreshing mist. It's packed with anti-inflammatories that will reduce redness for immediate skin recovery, but will leave you with a dewy complexion. Plus, the Genius formula will fix your makeup in place all day long, whatever the activity. So you just spray it about 20 centimetres away from your face. So that's that. So that's 50ml. I'm looking forward to trying that. I'll pop that straight in my makeup bag. So that's there. Smaller than the one that I had been using, but I'll get a while out of that one. The next item I have here, just trying to pull out all the big items first, is the Aveda. So this was the haul, the monthly haul of Fame items. So it's Damage Remedy, Daily Hair Repair, Instant Visible Repair, Protects from Heat Styling. I don't heat style my hair. It's 100 mils. There you go. But yeah, I can't even put a hairdryer to my hair. So it's a leave-in treatment. So you shake well, put a small amount of product in your hands, apply through damp hair and comb to distribute. do not rinse style. So I imagine it'll be fine for, you know, it'll be fine for my hair without, you know, even better if you don't use heat protection. So I'm looking forward to trying that. Aveda is a really good brand. It's quite expensive as well. So you usually get it in the fancy department stores. The next item I've got here is Inika. Now this is a brand that I have tried before. I've got the eye cream at the moment. I've tried something else from their brand, but I think my sister uses their foundation. So it's organic and certified organic lipstick cream and rose petal. So there you go. So rose petal is most definitely my colour. I was in John Lewis trying to pick a lipstick, and I didn't have a name on it, so I was trying to pick it by the colour. But there you go. Now I've got conditioner on that hand, not conditioner, body wash. Oh, there you go. That's lovely. It's definitely my shade, so I was really glad I've got that. Next item. Oh, this is from the range that I got last month. I got the scalp scrub. So this is Umberto Giannini colour, and it's the Flowerology Cocoa and Rose hair mask. I've been wanting to try that for a while. I love a hair mask. I use hair masks all the time. Salon Results, powered by flowers, 97% natural, 3% made up of fragrance and harmless preservatives, which is really good to know. So we've got coconut oil, rosehip oil, geranium flower oil and wheat bran. And it's cruelty free as well, and it's loved by curls. So I think this is probably Curly Girl method approved. Oh, it smells lovely. It's just so floral. It smells like rose. It's beautiful. So yeah, I love the colour as well. Show the colour. I love the colour. I love the smell. So I'm really looking forward to using that. And it's a really good size as well, 200 mils. So I'll get quite a few uses out of that. You'd be quite surprised how much I can put on my hair though. It soaks it in. So this was a really good month for different bits of makeup that I got actually. So I picked up this Nail Kind. It's a vegan nail polish, and it says up to 85% bio-sourced ingredients, and it's quick dry natural nail wear. Now a lot of nail polish isn't suitable for vegan, and I don't know if that's something to do with it's obviously something to do with the ingredients. I don't know if they use shellac or whatever, which is derived from a beetle, so there must be something similar. So yeah, I didn't know that until quite recently, that nail polish could be vegan or not vegan. So there we go. I'm looking forward to trying that. I think that's quite a nice shade for the kind of autumn. I'll pop it on and let you see. I've not been painting my nails for a while. I've just been putting the protector on them, the strengthener, because I went a bit crazy when I was doing that nail project. Yeah, I was polishing my nails every day. Honestly, I think Steve was getting fed up with the smell as well. You'd be sitting beside him and next thing there would be the smell. That's a really nice colour. I like that. And it's quick dry. I don't have any time. I'm such a fidget for nail polish. I usually use you know, the nail drying things. Yeah, because I just have no patience. There is another item here, which is the Kat Von D mascara. Go big or go home. So, Trooper Black. I've heard really good things about this mascara. I'm going to take it out the box. I'm going to try and take it out the box. I'm rubbish at opening packaging without damaging it, by the way. So I won't open the wand because I've got a few mascaras on the go. And this might actually make it into an advent calendar that I'm making up. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love the packaging. Now, I know a lot of people have gone off Kat because of our various different views, but to me it's just makeup. Extreme volume, long wear. Now, I don't know if it's waterproof or smudge proof. So I'll need to look into that, because otherwise, if it's not smudge proof or waterproof, it's no good for me. Honestly, I've got such sensitive eyes. Well, the next item I've got here is the High Pigmented Long Wear Eyeliner from NARS. I love NARS. I've got these, I think I've got a couple of these already, but it's a kohl pencil, if I can get it out. There you go. The only thing is, I find these things can be a nightmare to sharpen. We'll see how I get on with that one. I actually thought it was a liner, to be honest with you, because I use a liquid liner usually, but I can go back to the kohl. And the last item I ordered, there's also a wee freebie in here. The last item I ordered was the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. So, there we go. And then there it is there. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Now, it's a wee bit of, it kind of looks similar to that shade, but I don't want to swatch it because I think I'm giving it away. I just love the packaging on the NARS. It's so kind of soft. It's lovely. Right, anyway, I'm prattling on. So there's a free item. We got this last month as well. It's from Estee Lauder. It's ethyl alcohol hand sanitizer. There we go. And that's 200 mils. So it's quite big. But what I have been doing with anything that's quite big is decanting it into a smaller one, or I would keep this, you know, next to the sink or something. So what I tend to do is I have hand sanitizers in various different places in the house, but I like to keep one in the kitchen for if I've been touching things, or I would wash my hands, but so say I put the shopping away, you know, I've come straight in, I would use this, or I would wash my hands. So I always put, I don't know why I'm prattling on here, but I always keep it beside the hand soap because I like to do both sometimes. You know, if I've been outside, I'll wash my hands and then I'll put this on just as a wee bit double protection. But what I will do is I'll top up my little hand sanitizer that I keep in my pocket with this as well. So my husband put peppermint oil through one of our hand sanitizers and it smells absolutely gorgeous, so I might do that with this. I know I just sniffed it and that's a really weird thing to do. So there's also some leaflets in here. It's 20% off Nail Kind, LIB Nail Kind 20. Don't know if you can read that. It might be back to front, I don't know. Bayer British Body Care luxury body washes containing whey sourced from British cows. That's available from Sainsbury's. There you go. So that's what I love trying new new products, and a percentage of the sales go to the RABI, which supports farming families. Quite good. It's also British made as well. There's 30% off Find Your Glow using LIB 30. I've not got a clue what that is. And oh, there's a wine voucher, Virgin Wines. Anyway, I'll just give you a quick recap, right, of everything I got for £18. So that was a freebie. The Sports FX Mist and Fix, the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, the Inika Organic Lip Crayon, so that's definitely for me because I love that. The Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home. I love the container for that. I like those so you can actually squeeze them and get all the mascara out. The NARS eyeliner. The NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. The Nail Kind vegan nail polish. And last but not least, two more products. The Bayer British Body Care Semi-Skimmed Body Wash, 250 mils. And last but not least, the Umberto Giannini. I used to think it was just Umberto Gianni, but anyway, colour. The Flowerology Cocoa and Rose Hair Mask. So I think you'll agree that's an absolute bargain for £18. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'm terrible at saying that. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit the bell and you'll be notified each time I post. Thanks very much for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye.